BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. Microsoft has released Windows 10 Update KB5015020, which they started making available on the 19th of May 2022. Now, this latest update is not part of the normal monthly update cycle for Windows 10. It's not part of the B or C release updates. This is what we call an OOB update, which is an emergency out-of-band update, and Microsoft normally rolls these out when they are experiencing issues in the Windows operating system between the normal monthly updates. So this is an out-of-band emergency update which they have made available to address an issue for some users where apps were failing to install from the Microsoft Store on Windows 10, and that was also generating an error code. And this was happening, these app installation failures were happening for some users and were arising for some users after installing the optional update, which rolled out near the end of April last month for Windows 10, which was KB5015020, which if you did install the update, you will find under View Update History, under Other Updates, and here's the update 5011831, which was an optional bug fix update that rolled out near the end of April for Windows 10 versions 21H2, 21H1 and 20H2, which for some users now is causing those app installation failures from the Microsoft Store. And this is just another reason why I always say only install these optional bug fix updates that roll out near the end of every month, only if you are experiencing any issues on your system, else just leave the update alone. Now, if we just head over to Microsoft Docs, the known issues catalog, here we see Microsoft Store apps might fail to install on some Windows devices, and this was resolved on the 19th of May as mentioned. And Microsoft says here that after installing KB5011831 or later updates, you might receive an error code as mentioned, which is 0xC002001B when attempting to install from the Microsoft Store. And as mentioned, some Microsoft Store apps might also fail to open. And this is affecting devices, they say, which use a processor which supports control flow enforcement technology, CET for short, such as 11th gen and later Intel Core processors, or later and certain AMD processors. So only download this update if you are experiencing this issue where some apps are failing to install from the Microsoft Store, generating that error code, and if you are running the processes mentioned in this document by Microsoft. Now, they say the resolution is to obviously download the update, but it's not an update that's going to be rolling out using Windows Update on your Windows 10 device. You're not going to see it here in Windows Update. This is what this update is, a standalone update. So it's only been made available using the Microsoft Update catalog online, which you can just head to, and you can just enter the KB number 5015020, which will bring up all the different versions for Windows 10 and your different systems. And you can just click on download, which lets you download and install the update manually. So only install this update if you are experiencing these app installation failures mentioned in this video today, else just leave this update alone. And I will leave this link to this Microsoft Update catalog for 5015020 down below for easy reference. And I will also leave a video I posted on how to download and install these standalone updates manually on your device, which aren't made available through Windows Update. So I just wanted to let you know, if you are experiencing this issue where you have app installation failures from the Microsoft Store with that error 0xC002001B, then download this update. As Microsoft says now, it does address this issue. And this was an emergency out-of-band update, KB5015020. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.